When I decided to come to Straus Institute, I wanted to start my international career, but I never thought that I'd actually be able to build it so fast.
I am incredibly grateful to Straus. I do not think I would have known what to do if I hadn't been here for my next step in my career.
The professors and the staff here were very helpful in kind of giving me some direction and telling me and directing me in terms of what my options were and what was best for me for my future.
It was a great place to be. I mean, you definitely felt like you could share your side of the story and how you see the world. And the professors were really good at fostering that kind of environment.
It's very helpful that I got this degree. Now I'm looking forward to start my job in August. I'm more confident now. I know where I'm going.
For prospective students, especially perhaps to the Brazilian students or Portuguese-speaking students that want to come to Pepperdine, I strongly recommend. It's a beautiful campus, it's an incredible community. You will meet persons from all around the globe, make friends that will last for a lifetime, and increase your knowledge about everything, including dispute resolution, by 1,000-fold.
If you're looking for a program where you're getting hands-on experience and doing practical work, come to Straus. You're going to learn more than you ever have.
Be prepared to experience something that you've never experienced before. Be prepared to challenge yourself and to grow in areas that you didn't even know existed. It's a life-changing experience, but once you come through it, you'll come out better than you ever expected.